We are here today to join together Aaron Paul Jones and Crystal Leanne Summer Bear in the bond of marriage.
Finding a best friend and a man that I knew I could spend a lifetime with felt like a far-off dream until you. You're my true love and my best friend. I'm so excited to be your wife. I love you.
Crystal, I promise to take care of you and support you in every way. I will be patient and trustworthy. I promise to always love you and remind you that I love you. You are my everything. I love you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife and may kiss your bride.